Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Well, we are on our way into the summer now. I hope you've been having a great start to your summer. It's one of my favorite times of year. I'm sure it is also for many of you. But that also means that there's lots more stuff to do. We can tend to get very busy. And I don't know about you, but a lot of times by the end of the summer, I feel like I've put on a couple of pounds, similar to holiday season. So this year, I thought it would be a great idea to share a video on some of the tips that I've been using to stay on track, eat healthy when life gets too busy, because let's face it, that happens a lot, and it doesn't only happen during the summer or the holidays, but if you're like me and you have family and a career and dogs to take care of, your life is chronically busy, and chronically busy lives often tend to neglect nutrition and health. So in today's video, I wanted to share some of the things that I have been doing to help with a more nutritious diet, staying on track when my life gets busy. Let's get started. So this is my first tip. It's really simple. You're probably looking at it saying, what is that? Why is that important? It is a glass container. Yes, glass, not plastic. Big fan of glass, not plastic. And the reason I have this, and I have a lot of these in my home, is it's great for meal prepping. So what I like to do on Sundays, when I have a little time in the morning, I will get some food, maybe prepare some things that I have for lunch during the week. And what that does is it helps me avoid having to just kind of grab things in the spur of the moment that aren't thought through, that may not be the best options for me. It also saves me a lot of money, because if I'm out and about, I don't have to run into a restaurant or a deli and buy something. I know that I have right here what I want to put in my body. It's healthy, it's good for me, it's pre-portioned, and it just makes things a lot easier when life is very busy. So I suggest to invest in a few of these, super easy to get. And my favorite things to put on them would be some chicken breast, some broccoli, sweet potato. I like to do even salads, sometimes tofu, really anything that I can keep fresh, and these little glass containers are perfect for that, and they fit really nice in my refrigerator. So that's my first tip. The next thing that I've been doing that has helped tremendously with healthy eating on a busy schedule